Hey guys, hope you had a great week. I'm Avra and welcome back to my channel. So today's video will be on how we can make our Streamlit web application look better. So this video is not about the layout formation or the structure aspect of our web application. This is more about tweaking and minimalizing the already added features in our default Streamlit web app. So let's see how we can do that. We've already imported Streamlit module and we added a header in our app. So now we want to add few radio buttons. So we use streamlit.radio. We save these few lines of code and we run in our terminal. We open it on localhost and we see the radio buttons out here in a vertical form. Now our main aim is to make it in a horizontal form. So for that, we go back to our editor and we add this line of code where we're asking the widget, the radio widget, to be in a row direction out here. That's all. And we save this again. And if we go back to the localhost and we press always rerun, now we see the radio buttons are in horizontal form or in a row form. Highlighting the text often grabs users' attention in our web application. So I found this very cool Streamlit component library called Streamlit Annotated Text. So I used this using the pip function. I installed it first, and then from the annotated text, I imported annotated text module. So if we see the normal text using the streamlit.write function, it looks something like this. But once we use the annotated text function, it gives a very cool appearance like this. So this actually helps us to highlight the text within our web application. So let's say you want to change the color of your web application. For that, what you need to do is you go to settings and then you go to edit active theme. Out here, you can easily change the background color. So let's say for time being, I put it as dark green for the sap green color. And then I change the text color. So it's white. And I also change the secondary background color. So maybe grayish. That's all. And then I copy the theme to the clip. So I press this. Once this is done, all I need to do is I create a new folder out here called .streamlit. And inside .streamlit, I create a new file called config.yml. So this config.yml is now populated with the theme which I copied. So if you see whatever the theme I chose out there, it's pasted out here. That's all. So once this is done, whenever we run the app in our local server, it always takes the exact theme which we keep inside the .streamlit folder. By default, any Streamlit app takes the name of your Python script. But here you can easily change it using the Streamlit setPageConfig function, where you give the title, Streamlit Tricks, the name of my web application. And you can also change the icon of your web application. I just load the PNG image, which is in my local folder using this module. And then I use this variable page icon. That's all. And as a result, I get this particular image as my web application icon. You can also change your page icon using the emojis. You can put any emoji's name out here and you can use that as your page icon. It's a very easy and very simple way you can modify your web application. By default, Streamlit comes with this main menu, which allows us to access different types of function. And also it comes with this footer note called Made with Streamlit. At times we may require to remove these two features in our web application. And this can be done very easily using few lines of codes. Let's see how we can do that. We just need to write this particular line. Here we are trying to hide the main menu style and also the footer, it's hidden. As a result, what we see out here, our main menu is missing and also the footer is missing in our web application. Highlighting our data table or data frames can be a very intuitive way to understand our data set. So here I just made a very quick small app in order to demonstrate how highlighting data frame can be useful for us. So we have a group of students whose age vary from 18 to 25. Anyone's age under 21 is marked in red, above 21 is marked in green. This is already visible out here. Now let's say we make a change here. So let's say I make change in Bob's age, which is from 20. I make it to 21 and I confirm the age. So we see the coloration out here change from red to the green. This can be done in a very few lines of code. I just took that part of the code. One of the main function is to define the color. So we have an input as value. So any value which is above 21 is getting the color green, and under 21 is importing the color red, and this one we take as background color. So the function returns the background color with the color name. And then we use this in our data frame. We use it as a styling. So we apply this to our data frame, and we applied in the column or the subset called age, which we see in our data frame. That's all. So just few lines of codes, and in this way we can actually give a very intuitive way, in a very quick way we can separate our data sets. So I hope you guys enjoyed this very few simple ways to make our Streamlit web application look simpler, better, and also in a minimalized outlook. If you have more ideas as such, make sure that you write down in the comment section below. In that way it will be helpful for me and also for others who come across this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give a thumbs up and share with others. I am planning to make more videos on Streamlit, Python, and also on MATLAB. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Until then, bye.